everybody at home. We are talking about yesterday's Groundhog Day. And who's sound asleep on my arm? What? Raise your hand. What is he? What kind of animal? Noah? Groundhog. He lives underground, doesn't he? And yesterday, who can tell me what happened on Groundhog's Day? Every year on February 2nd. William, what happened yesterday?
He peeked out of his hole and then he saw a shadow from the sun and then he went back into sleep for 6 days for winter.
6 more weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 goes all the way into March. He's got to sleep till March, probably till we catch a leprechaun.
Like this one.
Remember, in March we're gonna try to catch that leprechaun, right?
Yeah.
So everybody, don't wake him up. I gotta put him away. Say goodbye, little. He saw his shadow, didn't he?
I'm gonna give him a hug.
He's gonna go to sleep. Groundhog's Day was yesterday. Now, what's exciting is we're going to start getting ready for Valentine's, the day we celebrate love. Usually someone who loves you gives you a card or candy or a hug or a kiss. Who knows what it could be. Valentine's Day is coming. Do you see February calendar? Calendars mark special days. And look, birthday. Do you remember Gabe, who used to be in our class?
Yeah.
Little Gabe is in the morning class, and that's his birthday. So he can't wait. 6 more days till his birthday. Here's Valentine's Day. Usually your grandma or your mom or maybe even your teacher gives you something if they love you a lot. It's the day we celebrate love. In here, we celebrate love every day. Because who tells us to love one another? Who tells us love one another? Whose rule is that?
God.
Who, Millie?
God.
Yes. God's rule is love one another. So we do that every day. That's why we're celebrating Catholic Schools Week. Because we're celebrating this awesome school that teaches us about God and love. Here's the day. But you know what? That's a Sunday. Do we come to school on Sunday? No. So look at the calendar. Can you point to this day right here?
Yeah.
We're not going to be here on Valentine's Day. So this says celebration. Because Fonzie, thank you for looking up here. That way I know you're listening and know when our Valentine's party is going to be. This is the day we have a party. We have games. And if you want to bring your friend that you love a lot, if you want to bring them a little card, a Valentine. It's called a Valentine. Can you say that?
Valentine.
Yeah. So you can bring your friend a little card. One time someone brought me a great big Valentine. See that?
Yeah.
It says, for you. Do you think that person knew that I loved bears?
Yeah.
Do you know who gave me this? Mr. Vogt. Does he love me?
Yes.
Yes. And
I think you want to give him a kiss.
I sure do, because I love Mr. Vogt. Well, inside it says, this comes with lots of love and kisses and a big bear hug to say, sure do hope that you will have a happy Valentine's Day. It feels really good to be loved. On Valentine's Day, we celebrate love. Now, guess what?
Fonzie.
Do you have people that you love?
Yeah.
Do you think we should make, do you love your mom and dad?
Yeah.
Do you think we should make them something?
Yeah.
Next-
I love my cousin.
Next-
Her name is Joya.
Next week, we're going to be making things for our, some decorations and things for Valentine's. The room is starting to look a little bit like Valentine's, isn't it? Look at this giant heart. And do you know, Fonzie? Will you tuck that in for me? No, I shouldn't see anybody's mask right now. Will you take it off if you're wearing it and stick it in your shirt? Stick it away. Lane, do you know you have your mask on? Can you take it off and stick it in? Because it gets hot. Only Mrs. Boat has to wear it, okay? I wonder if anybody knows what it says on this giant heart. It's a big Valentine.
last year.
We did have it last year. Do you remember what it says on there, Hans?
I love you.
Yes, and Hans, I love you when you raise your hand and wait your turn. That's awesome. Are you proud of yourself today? Do you feel like you're really good today? Yes. Don't you love it when you come and do good things? You feel so good. Let's read what it says. I love you. Now, I have a song about I love you, but you have to spell the word listen. Here's how you spell I love you. No, you just listen.
Listen, don't talk.
Listen. I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. You're all of my dreams coming true. From your cute little nose to the tip of your toes. How do you spell it? I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. That says I love you. Try it with me again from the beginning. I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. You're all of my dreams.
Lola,
Can you
sit on
do
your
that?
bottom.
Pretend like you're dreaming. You're all of my dreams coming true. From your cute little nose to the tip of your toes. And then how do we spell it? I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. Good job. We'll keep singing it. Maybe you'll learn it and you can sing it to your mom and dad. Do you think your mom and dad would love it?
Yeah.
Your mom might cry, Fonzie, if you sing that to your mom. She might say, oh my goodness. She might love it. Okay, here's one more we're going to sing before we finish up our calendar. Look up here. Ready? Ready?
I'm gonna
You can stay right there for just a
Good,
minute.
Lola.
Okay. Red hearts, pink hearts, white hearts, 2. Red hearts, pink hearts, white hearts, 2. Red hearts, pink hearts, white hearts, 2. Hearts to say, I love you. Blue hearts, yellow hearts, orange hearts, 2. Blue hearts, yellow hearts, orange hearts, 2. Blue hearts, yellow hearts, orange hearts, 2. Hearts to say, I love. Punky, do it with us. I love you. Green hearts. Fonzie, ready? Fonzie. Green hearts, brown hearts, purple hearts, 2. Green hearts, brown hearts, purple hearts, 2. Green hearts, brown hearts. Look right here, William. Green hearts, brown hearts, purple hearts, 2. Hearts to say, I love you. Show me the sign language for I love you. What do you say?
I love you.
Now, another way to say sign language, if you can't see or if you can't talk, but you can see, you might say this. Do you know what this means? I love you. Can you show me? Put all your fingers down. That's the sign that means I love you. Put all your middle fingers down, just your pinky and your thumb. I love you. Or you can say, I love you. Good job. We're going to be learning lots of fun. In the next few days, we're going to be doing lots of love songs and love games. What, Noah?
I knew that said I love you because it had an I in it.
You figured it out, Noah. Are you getting smart?
I am
He saw the word I, and he probably saw that L, and he probably thought, I bet that says I love you. It sure does.
I was saying
Okay,
that too.
let's see, Noah. Let's see. Say the season.
He said
is-
Noah.
Sorry,
Listen.
Carter. Noah was just talking. Say the season is.
The season is winter.
The month is.
But that's
No.
How come only Hans said it? Are you paying attention to calendar? Try it again, Carter. Say the month is. Well, please wait for him to say the month is. He has to ask you first.
The month is February.
February. Knox, you need to come around over here. Sorry, but you're not on a rug, so you shouldn't be sitting there. Stand up and walk around. Okay. Say the year is.
The year is 2021.
Good job. Now say, how many days have we had in February?
How many days have we had in February?
Let's count. 1, 2,
3.
Today is the 3rd day of February. Yesterday was Groundhog's Day. I don't have anything to mark Groundhog's Day. I should find a little groundhog, shouldn't I? I don't have anything that says Groundhog's Day. Yesterday was that funny special day.
Or you could just put another
Raise your hand.
fireworks.
Let's see.
Raise your hand.
Let's see
please,
what
Bubby.
day it is, Carter. Say, is it Sunday?
Is it Sunday?
No, that was the last day in January. Is it Monday?
No.
Is it Tuesday?
Is it Tuesday?
No.
Is it Monday?
Nope.
No.
Monday, Tuesday.
Wednesday. Is it Wednesday?
Yeah. So which one of these says Wednesday? What? It's pink. It's pink stars. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There it is.
Fonzie.
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow is in the future. It hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow is Thursday. But yesterday already happened. Yesterday was Tuesday when we had hot chocolate and we got our new shirts.
Yes.
So Tuesday was yesterday. Fonzie, I love it when you're looking at me over here because then I know you're really learning. Yesterday was Tuesday. That already happened. That was in the past. That was the day we had hot chocolate. Today is Wednesday. That's right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the present. And tomorrow is Thursday. And I think tomorrow is ice cream. And And it's your leader day. And I think, Miss Emily, is tomorrow the pizza? Pizza and ice cream tomorrow? I tell you what, you're pretty lucky coming to this school. That is awesome. Okay, hey, weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Hey, were you singing with me?
Yeah.
It sounded like I was the only one singing. I hate it when that happens. Weather watcher,
what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please?
here he comes. I know what it was when we were outside. What's it like?
Sunny.
Yay! Can Weather Bear keep his sunglasses on?
Yes.
And this is called our weather graph. We're graphing the weather. And we always make a pattern because you guys are so good. And I'm trying to make a really hard pattern this time. Okay? Carter, look up here. We're going to mark sunny. Okay, are we ready? Red.
Purple.
Red, purple. Guess what,
This will
Carter?
know that.
There is no pattern yet. A pattern repeats over and over and over and over and over. Like 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7. Right? Is this repeating yet?
Listen.
Lola, is this repeating yet? No, we need more information. We need more colors to find out what it's going to be. There's all kinds of patterns it could be. I'm going to try to make it hard. And you guys at home, I bet you'll help figure it out this week. It's sunny. It's gorgeous. Is it summertime?
Red.
No. If it's, well, doesn't the sun mean it's summertime?
No.
No, there's snow on the ground. The air is very cold, even though it's a beautiful sunny day. It's winter, the season of winter. Everybody stand up. I made a little snowman. Oh, sit back down. Holy moly, sit back down. We almost forgot how many days of school we have.
Look at that.
Oh
And we
my-
need to show and tell.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Wow.
Every day we come to school.
Wow.
William.
William, snacks. Every day we come to school, we put a counting stick in. We've been counting how many school days, and we've had 70. What's that number?
76.
That's a 6. 76. 76 days of school. No wonder you're getting so smart. Look how long that caterpillar's been. 76. Well, let's make sure we have 6 in here, so we don't have any mistakes. Rat Christensen, go ahead and let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 6. And today's a new day, so we put one more in. What should that say? 7. So let's flip it. Oh, this is one of, go ahead, take it. This is one of those double days. Look at this. How many tens? 7. Wheezy, how many tens? 7. Let's count them. 1, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens,
Sit on your bottom rib.
5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. That's 70. 70 straws. Yes, just raise your hand. I would love to hear those awesome answers. Reagan, can you scoot up so Lane has room? Thank you. 70 what? 70 what? What does this say? 77. There's 7 in the tens place. There's 7 in the ones place. Which one? Raise your hand now. Don't yell it out. Lola, are you listening to my question? Which one has more straws? Now watch. This says 7, but this is 7 tens. This is 7 ones. Which one has more straws? The tens place or the ones place? Which one is more? 7 tens or 7 ones? Which one's more? All the back row is raising your hand. Do any of you guys know? If you know, raise your hand. Wheezy, do you know which one is more? 7 tens or 7 ones? If you know, raise your hand. Reagan knows. Rose knows. Olivia, do you know which one's more? If you do, then raise your hand. Fonzie's not raising his hand. Do you know which one's more? If you know, raise your hand. Knox, you don't know which one's more? If you do, you should raise your hand like all these kids. Now, oh my goodness, Lola, do you know which one's more? If you do, you should raise your hand. Wow, all of you know? Punky, which one's more? More tens or more ones? 7 tens is a lot more straws. Did you all know that?
Yeah!
You are so smart. All right, I think now we can jump up. Hey, did you notice our new board? It's not all about weather and the water anymore. We're still going to talk about weather and water. But our board, what does that have to do with? Who said love? Someone said love. Millie, was that you? It does talk about love. We'll talk about it more tomorrow. But will you come over here? Should we check out our experiment? Uh-oh. Who drank my water? Wait a minute. My line used to be up here. I used to have this much water. Now look. Hey, what's happening to my liquid? Oh, everyone's going to see. So if you would relax and back up, you know that your teacher is going to show everybody. So if you just relax. Look, it's supposed to be up here. Evaporating? What does that mean, Charlotte?
It's going up in tiny drops.
The drops are so small we can't even see them. You are so smart. What's making it evaporate?
I think
What's making it evaporate?
the air.
What kind of air?
The hot air.
Hot air in our classroom is making it evaporate. Fonzie,
I didn't know
you go sit down in your seat, please. Go sit down. Thank you. I'll talk to you in just a minute. Did everybody get to see?
Yeah.
Brett, have you been drinking the water in that cup?
No.
Can you say evaporate?
Evaporate.
We know that Ellie Elephant E is a hard worker. E can say eh, and it can say E. We should not be touching our friend's shirt like that, honey. You don't touch. Evaporating. Do you think it will be gone tomorrow?
Yeah.
It might take a few days, but is Mrs. Vogt drinking it?
No.
No, the warm air is making that
I
water.
think it's
And where's the water going?
in the sky.
Into our classroom.
Carter.
Right? Well, we have to go today. I wish we could do some more of our winter songs and poems, but we have a story to read and we have a card to decorate for the veterans at the hospital. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you later at home.
Bye.